So you've got a GoPro Hero 10 and you are looking for a compatible SD card that works well with any of your footage, with videos, photos, 4K, 5K, whatever resolution, but you don't know which one to get, right? So make sure to watch this video until the end, because you're going to discover which GoPro SD cards are compatible with your Hero 10 and which one you should avoid. Plus, you will learn about different SD card sizes and how to choose the ideal size based on your shooting needs. The SD cards that I've reviewed in this video are also suggested by GoPro itself, and I've tested that they work pretty well with most GoPro cameras, not only with the Hero 10. Hey, I'm Andy, filmmaker and creator of Project GoPro, my online video making school specialized on helping people make better videos using action cameras like GoPro. I've also left a link down in the description where you can download my free GoPro settings cheat sheet that has already helped thousands of people getting started making better videos with GoPros and setting up the GoPro before every shooting. Go and check it out, it's free, you can download it in the description below. But now, without any further ado, let's get started. Memory card specs for the GoPro Hero 10. Before buying an SD card, make sure that it complies with your GoPro. This is what GoPro cameras usually require. The memory card type should be a micro SD, like this small version of the SD card. The memory card speed should be at least class V3 or U3. I wouldn't suggest you to use class 10 memory cards on the latest Hero 10. Actually, when you put a slower memory card on the Hero 10, the camera will tell you, will give you like a error message in a way, letting you know that the memory card is too slow. So ideally you should use a V3 or U3 standard memory card in order to record 4K videos and up to 5.3K. The recommended capacity, I would say, is between 32 and 256 gigabytes. If you shoot a lot, or if you don't want to change SD cards, or you're going for holidays, you want to shoot a lot and you don't have your computer or like other memories where you can back up your files, just make sure you buy a large memory card. Do not exceed though, like don't get like 1 gigabyte SD card, because they might be too large and might not work with your GoPro. So I would suggest you to get a maximum of 256 gigabytes. If you need more, just buy 2 or 3 cards and you should be good to go. Why do you need a high-speed SD card? When you film at high resolutions and FPS like 5.3K at 60 FPS, like these camera settings are really demanding for your camera. That is why you need a fast SD card in order to handle all of this like high speed. Slower micro SD cards categories like class 10 or below won't work with demanding video settings like 4K or 5K. The chart here shows SD card speeds compared to video resolution, if you want to have more information and learn more about it. So which ones are the SD cards that work best for GoPro? Here are the top 3 SD cards for the GoPro Hero 10. After testing many of the SD cards recommended by GoPro, I've listed the top 3 that work best with any GoPro camera model. These memory cards are fast, so at least V30 category, they are reliable and also cost effective. So the first card is this one, the SanDisk Extreme. This model, it's one of the most famous SD cards for GoPro. In specific, is my top choice and GoPro's top choice, I believe, for these cameras. It works very well, and it actually comes by default with the GoPro Hero 10 when you buy a pack or a bundle. The SanDisk Extreme micro SD cards provides an amazing write speed up to 90 megabytes per second and a reading speed up to 160 megabytes per second. This memory card lets you conveniently record high quality and uninterrupted footage, shoot also burst mode pictures without any issues or any like freezing unless the camera freezes. But yeah, the speed of this card should be good for your GoPro, for any GoPros. If you want to buy it, you can do so through my link down in the description. So the second card that I want to mention is the Samsung Evo Select. Despite it being really cost effective, in fact the 32GB version is under $10, the Evo Select is fast and also reliable. The Samsung Evo Select microSD card offers pretty good read speeds up to 100 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 90 megabytes per second, more than enough for your GoPro. It performs really well when recording, even with the most demanding video settings on the Hero 10. It's probably for that reason it's become one of the best sellers of microSD cards on Amazon. You will find also the link down in the description if you are interested and you need one. The third card that I would actually suggest you for your Hero 10 is the Lexar Professional 1000X. That is right here in the middle. I've got, let's see if I can focus it properly. Okay, here we go. So this card by Lexar provides an equally impressive write speeds up to 90 megabytes per second. Therefore, it's great for shooting 4K videos, 5K videos, burst photos with any GoPro, including also the GoPro Max. So if speed matters to you, then go and check this out. This is the fastest SD cards among the three. Amazon was running a discount last time I checked. You can find the links down in the description if you want to buy any of this. How long can you record with your GoPro SD card? Recording times depend by the camera video settings and the card size. This chart shows you the recording time with ProTune activated and maxed out video settings for the Hero 8. There is no Hero 10 in this chart, but it should be, it should have similar recording times as the Hero 8, except for when you want to record at 5K at 60 FPS, which is not supported by the Hero 8, of course. So basically, if you have a 64 microSD card and you film at 4K with the Hero 10, then you can easily shoot for about 1 hour and 15 minutes at a high bitrate. This, I believe, can give you a rough idea of what SD card size is best for you. I would suggest you to get at least a 64 gigabytes, if not 128 or 256, if you intend to shoot a lot with demanding video settings such as 5K at 60 FPS. Pro tip: by setting a lower resolution of frame rate, your video files will be smaller, and as a result, your recording time will increase, allowing you to get more footage in your SD cards. The best way to estimate GoPro recording times is simply by checking it on the camera display with an empty microSD card inserted. The camera will display the recording time when it's set on video mode and you're not filming. Lastly, I would advise you not to get an SD card higher than 250 gigabytes as they might not be supported and might not work properly, as I mentioned before. If you want to learn more about SD cards for GoPro, make sure to check out the article on my blog. You will find again the link down in the description, or even you can visit GoPro official site. I really hope that you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, as it will help the YouTube algorithm show it to other people, to other GoPro enthusiasts just like you. Thanks so much for watching again, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.